In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a file when the Google Drive quota has been exceeded. If you've ever run into a situation where you're trying to download a file from Google Drive and are met with the frustrating message that the quota has been exceeded, this is the guide for you. This specific issue typically arises when a file has been downloaded or viewed far too many times in a short span, prompting Google to temporarily restrict access. It's part of their effort to manage server load and prevent any misuse of their resources, but don't worry, there's a simple workaround that will help you bypass this restriction and successfully download the file you need. Let's start by opening the Google Drive link for the file you want to access. Once you're on the page, locate the Google Drive icon situated at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this icon will add the file to your own Google Drive account. This step is crucial as it moves the file into a space where you have more control over its access and can proceed to work around the quota limitations. Now that the file is in your Google Drive, navigate over to My Drive. You should find the file you just added waiting there for you. The next thing you'll want to do is create a copy of this file. To do this, simply right-click the file and select Make a Copy from the drop-down menu that appears. This effectively creates a new version of the file in your own account, separate from the original that has exceeded its download quota. Once your copy is ready, it's time to download it. This part is as straightforward as it sounds. Right-click on the copied file and choose Download. This action will start downloading the file directly to your device, completely bypassing the original quota restriction. By using this method, you not only sidestep the quota restrictions, but also ensure a smoother and more controlled process in accessing the files you need. It's a handy trick to have up your sleeve, especially if you frequently work with files shared over Google Drive that are popular and get a lot of traffic. Remember though that this workaround is intended for your personal use and to help you manage files you legally have access to. Thanks for joining me in this walkthrough of downloading a file when the Google Drive quota has been exceeded. I hope you found this solution straightforward and helpful for your future needs. Keep exploring more of our guides and tips to tackle everyday tech issues effortlessly. Until next time, happy downloading.